Welcome to another episode of Podcast Name, where we explore fascinating tools and technologies that are shaping our digital world. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of PDF files and how we can better understand them using a fantastic Python library called pdfsyntax. Okay, so let's set the stage. You ever try to peek inside a PDF file? It looks straightforward on the surface, but there's a heap of complexity beneath that sleek exterior. Right? Imagine trying to decipher a puzzle, only to realize it consists of hundreds of tiny pieces, all jumbled up. Well, that's what inspecting a PDF's internal structure can feel like. We're talking about decompression, parsing, and all these technical terms that can make your head spin. But fear not, PDF syntax is here to simplify that process. Now, PDF syntax is pretty cool because it's a self-contained Python package. What does that mean? No extra dependencies. It's essentially like having a Swiss Army knife for PDFs, all in one compact package. And the crown jewel of this tool is its browse command. Picture this. You run a command and bam, you get a pretty print HTML version of your PDF data that's rich with links and additional info layered on top. If you're a visual learner, you'll love this. The output looks like an enhanced version of your raw PDF content. It not only respects the original file structure, but also adds logical navigation to help you glide through different revisions and objects. It's like going from a black and white movie to a vibrant 3D film. So you might be wondering, how does this all come together in practice? Let's discuss some features of PDF syntax. For starters, it adds a reverse index, so you know where each object is used. There's also a page index, and believe me, it's super handy. You get a physical minimap too, which helps when you're deep in the weeds of a complex document. It enhances dictionary objects by indenting them for clarity, and it even extracts streaming objects to display them as regular objects. Talk about making the complicated accessible. And here's a fun feature. It can even turn indirect object references into hyperlinks. Think of it as creating a web of connections within your PDF. It colors the important parts, like warnings and object types, so your eyes are drawn to what matters most. Plus, you can switch between light and dark modes depending on your mood or environment. But let's be real for a moment. PDF syntax does have its limits. Encrypted files? Not quite there yet. It's a work in progress, which makes it an exciting tool to keep an eye on. Now, if you're excited to see it in action, you can actually try the live demo for yourself. Just hop on over to their website and you'll see what I mean. It's like having a full-fledged inspection tool at your fingertips. Before we wrap up, let's reflect a bit. How many times have you gotten lost in a digital document, unable to find the information you need quickly? With tools like PDF syntax, we can make the process of navigating through documents smoother and much more intuitive. All right, as we close today's episode, think about this. What would you want to uncover if you could dive deep into the structure of any digital file? Let that question linger a bit as you explore the world of PDFs. Thanks for tuning in to Podcast Name, and stay curious, everyone.